Guys, welcome back to Rob's Dyno service in Gardner, Massachusetts, the premier tuning facility in all of New England. And today, Rob is, well, this is episode 2 of our Dyno days, and I'll turn it over to Rob.
And also the home of the Motorcycle Marriage Counselor, where you bring all your marriage counseling problems about your motorcycle to me to fix. So one of the neat things we're doing today is Impact Wiring Solutions, their ECU for the Gen 1s, which they have already made the ECU for all the Gen 2 bikes. So that's 2023 and newer. So all that technology they use in the new bikes, they're using in the older bikes. And it is a very amazing ECU. It gives us a lot of options. It's probably one of the fastest bikes that we can tune with. It also has short-term trim and long-term trim, so it really keeps your bike dialed in very nicely. Ben Iska is the owner, and he is very amazing to work with. And we have Steve Gogan out there, who is their trainer and troubleshooter. So we've got a bike here with a 128 that was built by Tommy Boy Cycles with a 65mm throttle body, 7.1 injectors, and a brand new thunder header. So we'll see how that's going to do. We've already connected to the bike, and we're going to go start tuning it. You can watch along, and we'll see what kind of results we get.